In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the SEO title in WordPress. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize their website for search engines, and it can significantly influence how your content appears in search results. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part thoroughly. First things first, we'll need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing the content on your website. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll want to navigate either to the Pages or Posts section, depending on where the content you want to edit resides. You're going to select the page or post you want to update and click on it to enter the editing mode. Once you're in the editor, scroll down until you find the Yoast SEO section. It usually sits just below the content editor and is crucial for tweaking your SEO settings. This section contains several fields and options, but for now, we'll focus on the SEO title. You'll see an option labeled Edit Snippet. Clicking on that will open up a live preview of how your title and meta description will look in search results. In this space, you have the opportunity to either manually type in a new SEO title or use variables that pull content from your post. This is where your creativity and SEO skills will come into play. You'll want to craft a title that is not only reflective of your content, but also catchy and appealing to your target audience. An essential tip here is to ensure your customized title includes your focus keyword. This is a word or phrase you want the blog post to rank for in search engines. Including it in your SEO title can significantly enhance its visibility. Another tip is to keep your title concise. Aim to keep it under 60 characters. Why, you might ask? Because this prevents it from being cut off in search engine results, making sure your full title is visible to anyone scrolling through. After you have crafted a compelling and keyword-rich title, it's time to finalize your changes. Depending on whether you are editing an existing post or creating a new one, you'll need to click Update or Publish to save your changes. This action ensures your newly crafted SEO title goes live on your website. By following these steps, you can effectively update your SEO titles, helping your WordPress site perform better in search engine rankings and attract more visitors. So give it a try and watch how these small changes can make a significant impact. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful in your SEO journey.